this wallpaper here called Formula One Wallpaper 4K. So pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Access to a bunch of popular or famous F1 or Formula One races, wallpapers you can see here, a lot of them. And if I do scroll, you can see quite a lot of Formula One races, which you can use as wallpapers. As you can see here, let's say for example this one here, if I do tap on it, will give me a bunch of wallpaper as it relates to this person here. And as I can see, quite a lot of wallpapers which you can use. And all I have to do is just select the wallpaper that I would like to use. And let's say for example this one here. So once you've selected your wallpaper that you want to use, we'll pretty much give you an ad, and then you can go ahead and download the wallpaper, and then as well set the wallpaper as your lock screen or your home screen, whichever one you choose. So that's really pretty much how to use this application. It's very simple. However, you don't get any subscription to remove ads, and you can as well search for any popular Formula One drivers or racers out there, and you pretty much will find them on this application here. So very, very good, decent application as it relates to Formula One wallpapers. So if I missed anything at all, comment below. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.